Please like, share, and subscribe.
2018 VW Golf R, finished in Lapiz Blue Metallic with Titan Black interior. This is a very nice and clean Golf R with some great added items. Car drives out great and looks great as well. Aftermarket added items. Enkie RAIJIN 19-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Tires. APR carbon fiber intake. ECS Catback exhaust system. OEM information. Engine 2.0-liter TSI, DOHC 16-valve, turbocharged 4-cylinder. Transmission 7-speed DSG automatic with Tiptronic. Radio Discover Media with 8-inch touchscreen navigation. 4. Motion all-wheel drive. ABS and driveline traction control. Front air conditioning, dual-zone Climatronic automatic. Driver and front passenger heated. Cushion, heated seat back, heated front seats. SiriusXM AM FM HD satellite, seat scan radio. 2 first-row LCD monitor. Key fob, all doors, remote keyless entry. Heated mirrors. Windshield wipers, rain sensing. Leather seat trim. Driver and passenger lumbar support. Navigation system. Park Pilot parking assist. The 2018 Volkswagen Golf R is a performance-oriented hatchback known for its potent engine, standard all-wheel drive, and sporty handling. It features a 292-horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, offering a quick 0 to 60 miles per hour time and a responsive drive experience. The Golf R also boasts a sleek design, advanced technology like the Volkswagen Digital Cockpit, and a variety of standard safety features.
Please like, share, and subscribe.